In this video, we'll look at tests for ions and water, part of your IGCSE Chemistry course. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, identify common cations using sodium hydroxide. Second, use the correct acid before sulfate and halide tests. And third, test for carbonate ions and water. With sodium hydroxide solution, copper 2 ions give a blue precipitate, iron 2 ions green, and iron 3 ions brown. To test for ammonium ions, warm gently with sodium hydroxide. Released ammonia turns damp red litmus paper blue. Add the reagent dropwise and view precipitate colours against a white background. Use a fresh sample for each test. For sulfate ions, first acidify a fresh sample with dilute hydrochloric acid, then add barium chloride solution. A white precipitate of barium sulfate is a positive result for sulfate ions. Do not use sulfuric acid for this step because it would add sulfate ions and create a false positive. For halide ions, acidify a fresh sample with dilute nitric acid, then add silver nitrate solution. Chloride gives a white precipitate, bromide gives cream, and iodide gives yellow. Hydrochloric acid is unsuitable here because it contains chloride ions and would interfere with the test. A carbonate reacts with dilute acid to release carbon dioxide. Bubble the gas through lime water. A milky appearance confirms carbon dioxide. Water changes anhydrous copper, 2-sulfate from white to blue. Water also changes blue cobalt chloride paper to pink. These tests show water is present. A sharp boiling point is used to assess purity. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. Which acid is used before the sulfate test? Question 2. What colour is silver bromide? Question 3. How does anhydrous copper sulfate test for water? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. Dilute hydrochloric acid. 2. Cream. 3. It changes from white to blue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.